It is KTV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is ktimes.co.za. Bafana 1, Churchill 1. Amagama le team ayachinja bawusini.
Yeah.
Ayachinja la team siyazi usayikhumbula iSilver Stars kwathiwa iPlatinum Stars. There were so many changes amagama achintshile kuPSL. You can remind me iphi team yachinja igama konje?
Maningi ama-team amanye ngisho sikhumbula mara leyo kuyafana bekuyi Muruka Swallows yabuya yaba yiSwallows ne-Black ACC yachinja yaba
Cape Town City, yeah. Because now but changed 2 times because it was Czechoslovakia, then there were Czech Republic, now they are Czechia. So that change man. But ke banembali noko ku World Cup. Nathi sile World Cup 4 times, bona badlala World Cup so many times. But kodwa bagqibele kudala udlala 2006, 2010. And now sizohlangana group stages, and then we shared points namhlanje 1 apiece. Mhlobam, mandikubulisa, right?
Right mngani wami.
Yeah.
Wena kahle.
I'm good. Adidas looks good on you. Ebuya kufanele.
Long time. Adidas. Angisho sake sayigcoka lapha kuMamelodi Center.
It looks good Adidas on you.
Yeah. No ngiyabonga mngani wami. But uma ngaba uyisho ngenye indlela uthi yami.
No. Bobsi, let's dive into it mhlobam. Umdlalo Bafana besilele likhulu kulomdlalo. Utso uthe mhlawumbi if be sidlale igame differently against iMexico. Mhlawumbe ngoku ngesithi no man, kwi next game it's fine, uTebza can get suspended. Sawudibana naye kwi knockouts, but asinayo lo luxury yokuthi uTebza is fine abe suspended because we need him. Kula game igqibela he scored a penalty namhlanje la equalizing penalty. But masike nemidlalelo mhlobaba ubone njani umdlalo namhlanje?
Yeah, before singene emidlalweni Shane ithi ngibingelele abalingani la studio. Yeah Shane, ngiyacabanga mngani wami lento ishoyo ingenye indlela. Sometimes ungathola ukuthi if besiwinile igame ye Mexico, mhlawumbe namhlanje ngaba strong, maybe ngabe siluzile bese ucabanga ukuthi maybe kusho ukuthi senze izinto ngendlela right. So ngicabanga ukuthi sometimes amanye ama lose anokuthi akunikeza ama wake up call ukuthi at least ukwazi ukurectify ama mistake wakho yabona. So if ungabheka igame namhlanje Shane, ngicabanga ukuthi bezidlala ne team ibafana lengathi uma ungabheka I team ebezidlala nayo they are good nge basic Shane. Into bebayenza nje beba organize beba good nge basic. Lack of concentration kubadlali bebafana especially at defense uma ungabheka le throw in ku short le concentration ukuthi okay azameni ukuthi sibe organized sibe ready for anything. So uyabona ukuthi the first 5-10 minutes ye game and the last 5-10 minutes yokuthi uya ku half time iphinde futhi ibe ne first 5-10 minutes ye second half and nangale kuma additional time we 90 minutes ila khona badlali kumele ba switch on kakhulu because leya team mangithe ngiyibheka isebenzise leya chance poor defense kulabadlali ngicabanga ukuthi bebalapha because uma ungabheka we allow them ukuthi balethe cross. I don't think ukuthi uma ulapha kuleya engel kumele allow noma ngabe yini ngamani kube ikhona kick Shane. Noma ungabheka nyangendlela besime ngakhona eboxini labaletha khona lela bhola Shane besingekho ready. So ubonile ukuthi poor defense Shane kulicembu lebafana. That is why ngithi no bakhona ukusibamba ngale chance basiphanisha from there. Abazange bafuna ukubonakala ngathi bayingozi ngale ndlela. They keep the ball position, they just want to knock ibhola ba keep shape because they were good the way bayidlala ngakhona system yabo ba good ngokudefenda lawa majita. Uma ungabheka lama box entries bafana iwanzile out 2 first half ngicabanga ukuthi they don't allow anything ingene boxini because bayazi ukuthi once ibhola yalende boxini kuba nenkinga bebaloko bawa block lawa mabhola. That is why uma ungabona uSailor the way bekafika ngakhona kulela side but the end product beyiphuka because lawa majita cabanga ukuthi bebaziorganize kahle Shane. So for ibafana sizamile ukuthi sifuna ukudlala but I'm happy ngoYugo Bros ukuletha leya line up because besifuna creativity, besifuna at least badlala bazosinikeza something ukuya phambili. Ubonile umaletha abadlala abafana noMaseko first half uBoy udlale kahle kakhulu. He's the one ngicabanga ukuthi bekazama ukuthi anikeze lawa majita inkinga uMaseko. So indaba ukuthi bebangafuni ukusinikeza because half time singana shot on target kusho kona ukuthi beba organize la majita bebangafuni ukusinikeza nix. So into engayisho nje ukuthi sizamile Shane ukuthi sizama ukulinoka sizama ukudlala but the way la majita beyanga khona beyavala wonke ama space ukuthi singadlala. So uthi ubhekana apolice bekakwazi ukuthi uma ngaba mhlamba afuna ukuthatha inathi uyojoyina bekazama ukuya but udropa too much into bese ishaya ukuthi udropa too much and bengithanda ukuthi ngabe ngibone apolice adlala next to the box because I know ukuthi is good nange dribbling lama set piece siwadingayo besingawathola so unfortunately Shane uma dropa deep uzama ukubuya ukuthi azocollecta le ball because la majida always bakushange ngebhodi always bazama ukuthi bakushaye ngebhodi lose balance that is why no Rangers bekungekho lula ukuthi adlale because if ba contest bona baya ngebhodi then lose balance then ba win the second ball
Bobzin zinoni positives noko esisenazo kwigame namhlanje coach Hugo Bros esinoduse nazo because he came under fire last week there were a lot of criticism especially for yena coach forget ukuthi players dlale njani forget the scoreline but imibuzo emininzi ibijongiswe kuye ucoach Hugo Bros namhlanje Bobzin would you say he redeemed himself lo mdlalo namhlanje against iChechia
yeah njengoba ashizo kwenye kwama interview yakhe ukuthi bawabonile ama mistake abawenzile njenge technical team bazowa rectify ngicabanga ukuletha labo badlali abane creativity into yokucala nje ngicabanga ukuthi we tolerate Shane because besidinga bona labo badlali so uma ungathi uyabheka nama sub wakhe namhlanje ngicabanga ukuthi yenza ama sub right because akazange afune lento ukuthi mhlawumbe uzofuna ukugcina isikhathi eside ukuthi alethe abadlali mhlawumbe ukuthi sizama uku-equalize uzamile ukuletha abadlali ngicabanga ukuthi vele besibadinga nge-creativity but la ngibone khona ukuthi ugembulile khona abanye abantu mhlawumbe angeke siyibone ngoba akuzange kwenzeke nix the time akhipha uJaden sinomkwena sinombatha banama yellow card I was like no man why ungadonsi oyi1 mhlawumbe udonsa umbatha so that at least ube nomdlalo oyi1 ongana yellow card ukuthi maybe kungaba khona amathakela asazowenza because bese ngisabela lento leyo ukuthi uma sesinala abadlali abanama yellow card but give credit kula majida ngiyacabanga ukuthi bakhona ukucontroller the way mhlambe bekumele bazicontrole ngakhona ukuthi bangathola ama second yellow card bakwazi ukuthi okay une yellow card akumelanga ukuthi ngizicommithe nakuma amathekele engamelanga ukuthi ngasicommit kuso so that ngithole second yellow card give credit for la majida but mina bengicaka ukuthi ucoach Hugo Bros ugemblile lapha Shane yes akwenzakalanga nix but ngabe umdlalo oyi1 athola second yellow card ngabe manje simela sibuza ukuthi why bekasabagcina labadlali banama card ibhola injalo mngani wami so but into engayisho nje ukuthi give credit man kubafana I think majida pushile Shane ku introduce aborele abongwana sesi sibonile ukuthi at least manje sifuna ukuthola i second goal even though la majida cisha sibambile nawo but uma ungabheka Shane ngendlela ngibone si attacker ngakhona besine chance ukuthi besingathola i second goal unfortunately isikhathi besisincane and uma ungabheka ngapha ama box entries wethu uma siyangena but la majida the way ngisho ngakhona ngithi bagood ngedefense yabo Shane beku difficult for Tina aborili bazamile ukuthi bafuna ukuzama ukuthi at least bashaye mhlawumbe basekudeni so ngicabanga ukuthi into ebengijabulisa kakhulu ukuthi besinabo badlali in front of layer double pivot yethu or layer midfield yethu abangayenza ama movement next to the box so that sikwazi ukuthi sikhona ukudlala njengoba ubonile ukuthi uma ngabe siloko sibhizi sinokha ibhola silishifta siya nalo ngapha ila khona bomaseko bazama ukukhatha in bazama ukuthatha lawo ma shot on target at the end of the day sathola le penalty uTebza walithatha walivalela phakathi siyabonga Shane singumzansi ukuthi at least sikwazile ukuthi sibone inet Shane sibiye na le point now siyobhekana nenye game ekumele ukuthi nayo kumele sebenze kanzima ukuthi siwine Shane
I know i-final decision ihlala no Hugo Bros Bobzin thina singanazo ezethu i-lineup tingabuza nangoku uMslenkewu uzanike yakhe nawe anike yakho but going to lo mdlalo wogqibela uTebza will not be there so on your view wena Bobzin ngendlela obona ngayo la midfield ubona iqasa kanjani
Shane lapha kule midfield uyabadinga abadlali abawu3 abazo controller ngithe ngibheka i-Korea Shane i-team engicabanga ukuthi i-good nange pressing i-good uma ungabheka i-movement yabo uma ngabe baku position Shane ba quick now la majida bayakwazi ukubreaker so I don't think ukuthi singadlala nge-double pivot Shane we need 3 midfielders singakhohlwa ukuthi I think uyabuya uyaya next match ngiyacabanga ukuthi beka suspended for igame 1 so khumbula ukuthi sina 4 yama midfielders now uTebza uyaya uJaden nombatha so kusho kona ukuthi uTebza uma hamba uyabuya uyaya ngicabanga ukuthi coach obvious uzolele sale 3 midfield but ngibona ubheka phansi uma ngikhuluma ukuthi uyaya uyabuya I don't know Shane.
Umthetho wami ndiyathanda ujonga phansi Bobzini. Ndiyathanda ujonga phansi. Namhlanje Bobzini we had visitors. Andifuni ukuba ngathi noko.
Yeah.
Ngicela usisa bayi2 beza lapha kwelicala just want uyivala because kukho into endifuna ukubuza ngayo now.
Okay.
There was a time when bekusenzeka isubs. Okay, ungeza nabo. Yeah, because ndifuna omnye khona bethe unenhloni. Ndifuna uza naye. So ndikhe ndabona. Okay.
Abiza ngapha.
Bobzini.
Yeah.
Ubonile celebration besenzeka apha ngoba ekore bafana uTebs.
Angizange nginake bengiconcentrated too much lapha.
No, uyibonile Bobzini. But if bungaphandle
Yeah.
ngokungena usibelebele bunothi ikhona igoal engenile lapha ngaphakathi.
Yeah, no ngibonile mangena usibelebele ukuthi bebajabule kakhulu abalandeli.
And unxiba caps so ndifuna uqala ngaye.
Okay.
Ungenile usibelebele ndakubona uqhumo qhaba izandla. I thought kungene igoal. Bekusenzeka ntoni? What was happening?
No, man, I know his capabilities, so I know that he will do something, man. Yeah, for the country, yes.
But i-result namhlanje i-tournament overall nje usukela ku-match day number 1 uzotsho I know ukuthi ayikapheli sine last game but so far uyibona njani Bafana?
Well, first game, it was very bad. The performance overall, it was horrible. But this one, they tried. They wanted to line up, I changed it. They put attacking players. Wingers. We're playing with wingers this time. So, yeah, this is Masego. Yeah, he tried a lot.
Sizawudlula noko siye kwi-knockouts.
If he makes you I want to answer something for us. Yeah, then.
Thina sizawuzenzela into.
Yeah, we can try.
Thank you so much. Enkosi kakhulu. Sisi nawe mandikubuza noko at least bulapha ubukelela umdlalo. Umdlalo namhlanje nje Bafana as compared to last game. Ubona njani?
Well, last game was embarrassing. Pure embarrassment. I feel like coach ubadidile bonke bebangazi ukuthi bayenzeni. Today, so much improvement from Abafana Bethu. They played well, they tried. Nale draw nje silwele and you know, even if we come back home, at least this buya sazuti we tried, yabo. But Mexico yenza something.
Kufuna i-favors. The last time and Silva umntu efuna i-favor it kwakwenye indoda. The last time kwakuthethwa nge-favors umntu wayefuna i-favor lapha ecanga mhlobam. What's happening?
Ngicela uyidlulise kahle sometimes bekumele ukuthi bazi introduce asho ukuthi ubani but
No,
unfortunately
yeah.
akusana nkinga.
No, ukhona ozabachaza ukuthi ngobani
Okay,
bonke.
no,
Ukhona ozabachaza.
azongishaya-
Ndifuna lo
azongishaya
wayesithi
isibhayisikili
unenhloni.
mntanami.
Molo sisi unjani?
Ngiyapila njani?
Ndiyaphila nami igama.
My name is Ntati, and I am part of an upcoming podcast named Ball Her Talk.
Okay. Paul Hot Talk yeni ama ladies.
Yes, it's just ladies. Just ladies.
Okay. Umdlalo namhlanje noko were you happy namhlanje?
Not entirely, but there is improvement, and I think we can just be happy that at least, you know, the boys are also hearing our cry, and that we can see that they're also trying. You know, it's not just us that want this, and it's not just us that want to go through to the next stage, but they also showing determination and the urge to go through.
Enkosi. Sasisivica sekuthiwa noko seliphela. Siswam nawe ubuhappy performance namhlanje?
I'd say I was a bit happy with today's performance as compared to last week, but I do think that we do need a little bit of more quality in our national team, and also we need players to actually be more determined and not be scared, because I feel like there's a lot of ukuthuka kancane when it comes to attacking, so we need to be a little bit more confident and just do what we do best.
Well, ngesixhosa sithi ngenxa yamaxesha noko kuthiwa liqhatshwe yinja Bobzili. So masivale ichayile. Bobzili masivale. It's Church here 1 Bafana 1. Thank you so much for watching iDisky TV.
Thank you.
Hola Bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to iDisky TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi Bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDisky TV.